Hello. I'm checking whether mic works. Okay, today I'm gonna start the medium level problem. Medium minimum is to make parentheses valid. A parenthesis string is valid if and only if it is an empty string. It can be written as AB. A concatenated with B, where A and B are valid string. Or it can be written as parenthesis A, where A is valid string. You are given parenthesis string S. In one move, you can insert the parenthesis. You are given a parenthesis string S. In one move, you can insert the parenthesis at any position of the string. For example, if S is blah blah blah, you can insert an opening parenthesis to be, or closing parenthesis to be. Return the minimum number of moves required to make S valid. 1. So example 1. This is 1, this is 3, right? I guess this is easy. Empty string, or it can be written as AB. So valid means it can be written as AB. And then A is empty string. So well, I think we can do some kind of stack. So whenever open is added, we can when opening parentheses and closing parentheses are matched, stack works perfectly. But when for example, in case like this, push this, pop this, and then when we try to pop, there's no parentheses. So we need one more opening. Yeah, so we need to count. So let's think about one other case. Like something like case like this. So here we push, and then pop, right? And then push, and then push, and then pop. So here we know that we need 2 are needed. So likewise, let's say that something like this, and then if I remove this, we push and then pop, right? And then push and then pop. So now this is empty, stack is empty, but we try to push 2 more. So we will have we can count this, right? So what we need is int closing is currently 0. So closing increase when stack is empty, and when char is this one, right? And then we need stack. We don't even need a stack. We can have opening, right? Popping actually means that you can decrease. So for char as h is this, then we'll increase the opening. Else, so h is this, right? What you're gonna do is that if, well, in general, we'll do this. But if when opening is 0, which means that we have additional closing, right? So we're gonna add this closing. And if opening is greater than 0, we're gonna do this. So at the end, is it possible that let's say this is this, then what if we add this and add closing here? So opening, close, this is opening, so 1, and next 2, next 3, and then we found the closing, right? So this will be 2, right? And then opening again, 3, and closing, and closing, and closing. Oh, somehow this is correct. So I'm kind of wondering whether opening is positive and closing is positive. So here, this is valid. If we remove this is valid. Interesting. With this, and then if we this valid, this valid, this valid, this. If we remove closing, valid. Likewise, this is valid, and also this is valid. Yeah. Interesting. Why? So, so my intuition is like if opening and then closing, and this line is actually curious. I feel curious with this line. So let me try something more. Let's have a parenthesis here. So if we remove this, then if we remove this, what happened? This is valid, and this is valid, this is valid, and this is valid. So this looks like a list of if we remove this, and then if we remove this, what happened? So this is 3, 4, and then 4. So this is valid. Yeah. Interesting. So how can you prove that this line is correct? I mean, opening and closing cannot be the same, cannot be 0 at the same time. I don't know. Oops. Same. Oh, correct case. Ah, actually, if opening is 0, return 0, right? What? Okay. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Okay. So opening 1, here closing and closing we have 2, and we have 2. Oh, yeah, in that case. So this, and then this does not make a valid parenthesis, because this one and this one is separated. And then expected is 4. Oh, concatenation works. Yeah, so I guess. Yeah, this is one of the case I was curious about. Then why couldn't I think about that? Oh, what was that? Closing 2 and opening 2. Opening 1, closing 1, 2. and opening 1, 2. Why? Oh. What am I doing? So this is actually returning this, right? Yeah. Well, I solved the problem, but here's one of the serious mistake, which is that I couldn't end up with a case with both are not 0. I thought that either one will be 0. Maybe because I haven't thought about this is the valid string. So how can I not make such mistake again? Yeah, I should understand question clearly and then should think about the valid cases. So that's right. Remember, case. So because I couldn't find out is a valid string. Meaning that cases from the second bullet. So try to context-free grammar. Is it called the context-free grammar? Context-free set of recursive rule used, yeah. think this is important. So let's see how others solve this problem. Okay, I think this is it. It's pretty simple but somewhat tricky question. Okay, I'll see you sometime today with another medium level question. Bye.